Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new H7 or H11 bulb, depending on your specific model, along with a T25 torque screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your car's ignition is completely off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. Then, open the hood and find the rear of the headlight assembly you'll be working on. Now let's get to the bulb. Carefully remove the headlight's rear cover. This is usually a rubber cap or a plastic panel that simply unclips. Once exposed, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently disconnect this plug. Next, locate the bulb holder itself. You'll typically detach it by giving it about a 30-degree turn counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully take out the old bulb. Sometimes a flathead screwdriver can help if it's a bit stubborn. When installing the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your fingers, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in the holder, reinsert the entire assembly into the headlight and turn it clockwise about 30 degrees to lock it securely in place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, replace the headlight's rear cover, making sure it's sealed properly. Finally, turn on your Audi A3's ignition and switch on the headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. This simple repair can save you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.